Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, student. Today we are celebrating letter D activity. Look at the board. This is capital D and this is small d. D says D. D says D. D drop. D donut. D dice. D diamond. D dots. D dress. D drum. D dads. D doll pen. Repeat once again. D says D. D says D. D drop. D donut. D dice. D diamond. D dots. D dress. D drum. D dads and D doll pen. Thank you.